What if I told you that spotting a profitable real estate deal doesn't take luck? It takes strategy and a few real estate insider tips. Whether you're buying your Tampa home, relocating to Florida, or thinking about investing in a rental property, perhaps today I'm revealing the secrets to identifying a property that can grow in value and generate income all within 2 years. If you've been wondering how to tell a great deal from a bad one in Tampa's fast-moving market, stay tuned. This one could change how to invest forever. Hello everyone, I'm Britta Becker, your Tampa realtor and host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa Bay. I help buyers, sellers, investors, and relocation clients navigate the Tampa Bay real estate market. So if you're serious about finding profitable homes for sale right here in Tampa, or want to know where Florida's best investment opportunities are, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay ahead of this market. Here goes. First things first. Let's define what a profitable real estate deal really means. Profit doesn't show up on day one, that's for sure. And in real estate, it can come to you in three different ways. Number one, equity growth. As property values rise in high demand areas like South Tampa, Seminole Heights, and Wesley Chapel. Number two, cash flow. Monthly rental income exceeds your expenses. Number three, tax advantages and appreciation. Florida's no state income tax and growing job market make Tampa a hot investment hub. In 2 years, a profitable real estate deal typically shows 5 to 10% appreciation or positive cash on cash returns from rental income. Knowing how to identify these trends early on is absolutely key. Moving on to Tampa's secret investment pockets. You've heard it all before, location, 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 but in Tampa, that means more than just close proximity to the beach. You want areas where infrastructure, lifestyle, and local economy are all expanding because that's where demand and property values rise the quickest. There are some top zone areas to watch. West Shore Marina District, waterfront living meets redevelopment. Riverview and Apollo Beach, booming new construction and family-friendly appeal. Seminole Heights and Tampa Heights, walkable charm and short-term rental opportunities. Downtown Tampa and Water Street, where relocation buyers, professionals, and investors all converge. Investing in these neighborhoods before everyone else does, that's how you win in the next 2 years. Let's talk numbers, because a profitable deal always pencils out. Here's what to analyze before writing an offer. The price per square foot compared to recent sales and active listings. Rental comps. Check what similar homes are renting for right now here in Tampa. Carrying costs, which include HOA fees, insurance, especially flood, taxes and maintenance, and cap rate and cash on cash return. Anything above 6% in Tampa's current market is strong. Use online tools or perhaps a realtor's MLS analysis to verify whether your projected income exceeds your expenses. A deal that cash flows even modestly today is often a big winner in 24 months. The next secret? Look for hidden value. Sometimes the best investment isn't the prettiest house, it's the one with potential. Here's where Tampa investors find profit fast. Homes needing light cosmetic updates, which are paint, flooring, kitchens. Properties with detached garages or ADU potential for rental income. Waterfront or corner lots with expansion opportunities, and areas where new schools, restaurants, or retail are planned. In Tampa Bay, improvement projects and neighborhood revitalization often create instant equity within 1 to 2 years. Timing matters, especially if you're planning to profit in 2 years. Here's how to read Tampa's market like a pro. Watch inventory levels. Low inventory means high demand and price growth. Track the average days on market. Homes selling in under 30 days signal momentum. And follow the job growth and relocation patterns. Major employers like MacDill Air Force Base, Raymond James, and the Moffitt Cancer Center are driving strong buyer demand. Combine those metrics with your property analysis and you'll see why Tampa Bay remains one of the fastest appreciating markets right here in Florida. Here's the simple formula I give my clients. Number 1, buy in a growth zone below market value or with improvement potential. Number 2, hold or rent for 18 to 24 months as property values appreciate. And number 3, refinance or sell once equity builds, and then reinvest those gains into your next Tampa property. It's how many investors build wealth right here in Florida's competitive real estate market, one smart move at a time. If this helped you understand how to spot a profitable real estate deal, don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I'm ready to invest in Tampa. And if you'd like a personalized look at Tampa's best performing neighborhoods or cash flow properties, download my Tampa relocation and investment guide. The link's right below. I'm Britta Becker, Tampa Bay Real Estate Company, and your host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa, helping buyers, sellers, investors make smarter moves in this incredible city. Thank you so much for watching.